When updating to iOS 26, issues may appear like your iPhone not making or receiving calls, no sound, or random restarts. If your iPhone can text but can't make calls, here's some quick fixes you can try. Part 1. Why am I not receiving or making calls on my iPhone? Network, weak signal or outage. Software, iOS bug or wrong settings. Hardware, loose SIM card. Airplane data, disable airplane mode. Apps, new app interference. Storage, low space issue. Part 228 Common ways to fix iPhone can't make or receive calls. Check network. Weak signal can block calls. Check signal bars. Low signal means network issue. Toggle airplane mode. Turn airplane mode on. Wait a few seconds, then off to refresh the network. Reinsert SIM card. Remove and reinsert your SIM to fix connection issues. Reset network settings. Go to Settings General Reset. Reset network settings to restore defaults and fix call problems. 5. Restart iPhone. Restart to clear caches and refresh system performance. 6. Check blocked numbers. Go to Settings Phone Call Blocking and Identification to see if the number is blocked. 7. Fix iPhone system issue with iOS system recovery. If you've checked your settings and tried all the troubleshooting methods, but your iPhone still can't make or receive calls, the issue may be due to a more serious problem. Here's how to fix call issues on your iPhone 16/17 using iOS system recovery. Step 1. Download and install iOS system recovery on your computer. Then, connect your iPhone 17 to the same computer. Step 2. Once your device is detected, click on More Tools and then select iOS System Recovery. Step 3. Choose Standard Repair. Select the firmware version you want, then click the Repair button to start downloading the firmware package. Step 4. After the download is complete, click Fix Now. Your iPhone 16 will restart, and you can test the call function by making a call. 8. Go to Apple Store. If the above solutions can't solve your calls issue, you'd better to go to the Apple Store to ask for a professional help, and we believe all issues related to iDevices will be solved well.